Hey, welcome back, my dear friend, and I hope you're doing well and healthy. And in this great lesson, we are going to explain you how you can brand yourself on YouTube and why you need to build your YouTube channel and why you need to start creating a video content for according your niche and why it is important for is online marketing. So before we are going explaining everything, we are going to explain 7 benefits uh, you got after starting your YouTube channel. So first of all, you can see here, give the audience more content. One really good reason to add video on and a YouTube channels to your site to go gives the audience more content. It means if you adding some video content according your niche, then your site automatically rank on the Google high, and your branding automatically increase because Google noted you available on YouTube, you available on your personal site, you available on Facebook. So Google notify you are a brand, and in further you will get so many benefit. And next, extra source of income. I know you already know this, because so many people's making millions of dollar per year through just creating YouTube video, and so many big YouTuber available on every country, and so we don't need to explain more much. And closure personal connection, it means once you starting your community on the YouTube, then so many people, so many audience you got related like you, their habits related you, their thinking related you, so everything matching according you, and you just share some closure story and your passion and everything. And yes, this is true. uh, you make another source of income. It is not just YouTube. If you're promoting any kind of affiliate offer, you're promoting your services, you're generating a lead, and you can sell your course. So many way you can open once you start your YouTube channel. And next step next step modernizing, and next step creating outlet. Like if you are selling e-commerce product, then you can start easily your outlet. And next, get outside your comfort zone. It means if you feel shy to record a video, if you just feel shy to think to talk with people, once you start YouTube video, then you're going out of your comfort zone. So this is top 7 benefits, and so many benefit have you. If you when you start, you already easily understand what benefit you get. And the next questions, niche and content. So what type niche you need to select? First of all, this is a big question. Select your passionate niche. Like if you passionate to teaching, you can select a teaching. If you have expert any kind of field, you just share. And yoga, you can share yoga related training, internet marketing related training, weight loss, language teaching, digital marketing and digital coach, and more. If you just go to and learn content management mastery, where you will learn so many niches available. And create a good content. If you have don't if you don't have idea what kind of content we will create, then it is good question. Share your personal about yourself, about your story, personal story. Just record some video blog, and it's some your expert interview training, and more you can more research about it. Okay, so how you can start your YouTube channel? Just follow 10 steps. That is very easy. Create just simply step 1, create Google account, and step 2, create a YouTube channel brand. It is super simple. For easily you can understand, go to YouTube and search how to create YouTube channel, and you will get so many videos for they teach you how you can create your YouTube channel step by step. Okay, and third step, add your brand identity, like add YouTube channel at work, and link your YouTube channel with banner and like something, and upload your first YouTube video. Just record your video and upload on YouTube channel, and share with your partners, with your friends and another social media account which you are using, and create YouTube channel structure. Like if you are selling weight loss related content, you just create a structure and create a channel trailer. It is super simple. Just search on YouTube and you will get everything. Make your channel discoverable. It means just SEO friendly. So you just put your name and your niche name, and it will automatically rank your channel. Add team members. If you have, then you can add. If you don't have, nobody, just leave it. And verify account to access more features. It is super simple. This feature available inside of YouTube channel. You can follow now, and join the YouTube partners program to unlock even more additional features. This feature also available on YouTube channel inside of member area. So you can go and create your YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube and search how you again create YouTube channel. Then you will get completely all tutorial. Okay, so I hope you understand how to create YouTube channel and what is benefit if you start your YouTube channel. So create your personal brand website and create YouTube channel, and first write a blog if you interested, and second create a mini video about your blog, like hey man, hey my dear friend, I have write some good blog, and if you're passionate, if you want to learn, just click the link below, and inside of your video, just in description below, you just put your blog link, and someone going to read, and you will get traffic, leads, and something like this. So I hope you understand how you can create your YouTube channel and what is the benefit you get once you start YouTube channel. Okay, so thanks for watching this great lesson, and we will meet you another lesson. Thank you.